Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Steve Tolnai, and I'm the SVP of Sales and Marketing for Smartlam North America. Smartlam is a manufacturer of mass timber where we have national coverage throughout the US. We have plants that manufacture both CLT and Glulam, fully fabricated with steel attached and delivered to site, both from our facilities in Columbia Falls, Montana, and Dothan, Alabama. We also focus on early design and have a full engineering team that can help to make a project pencil, stay beautiful as per the architect's design, all while making it constructible and manufacturable in our facilities. The most exciting thing about the mass timber industry is it's starting to be adopted on that curve of maturity as a product, and both CLT and Glulam are being used in different ways than they were. We're starting to see it being incorporated into many structures in different ways as we find out where each product fits best and its use in a specific type of building. There's absolutely no question that the use of lumber that is on the open market that has very large volumes, that is a trade commodity, there's huge value add by bringing this lumber into buildings that are being designed in mass timber. I think very interesting thing about that is that there are third-party verified certifications that allow us to transparently show that the lumber that is going into these buildings has been sustainably harvested. The other interesting and exciting thing about Smartlam is that we specialize on regional sourcing. So whether that's from within a state or from within an area and a certain grade, we have relationships with lots of different mills that allow us to tell a story that helps that building be related or relational to the market that it's in. The other interesting thing is that as we move in with our partners here at SPEC Toolbox, this allows companies that would be generally, as they enter and come into that new market of mass timber, it allows them to design with ease using a particular manufacturer, i.e. Smartlam's products in Glulam and CLT, but also designing connections that are sort of off the shelf, readily available, and can drop and drag into the customer's drawings, making it way easier to work with mass timber earlier in the design process. That's why we're really excited to work with SPEC Toolbox. I think SPEC Toolbox is helping to address one of the biggest issues, and that is still, as new entrants and more structural engineers get into designing with mass timber and don't have the experience, they tend to be more conservative than is required for the project, and that often will make the project not pencil compared to the alternatives because we're so early in the maturity of mass timber. SPEC Toolbox allows straightforward, accepted, repeatable connections and product specifications to be easily dropped and dragged into a project.